some pizza?
What pizza places are even good around here?
I heard about this new one on Main Street. I think it's called Pepe's Pizza.
Let's go.
Wow, that pizza was so good.
It was a little pricey though.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder why it costs so much and what goes into it.
Didn't we learn this in Professor Shiv's class?
I believe so. We should check it out. Hey, you work at Pepe's Pizzeria, right? What makes pizza so expensive?
Pepe's Pizzeria, we have 3 choices of sizes of pizza: small, medium, and large. The direct materials that go into pizza are pizza dough, sauce, cheese, and a possible topping.
That's the only thing that makes pizza so expensive?
As a business owner of Pepe's Pizzeria, I also have to take into consideration overhead costs, things like rent, utility costs such as electric, heat, and air, wages, pizza oven, the cheese grater.
Wow, I didn't realize all that went into making a pizza.
Yeah, and after all of that, I still have to make a profit, so I add a markup to the costs.
For example, if a customer orders 1 large pizza, we need to calculate how much of our total cost goes into making that 1 pizza. To do this, we find the cost of each ingredient required to make 1 pizza by taking the total cost pool and dividing it by the cost driver. Next, we take the cost per unit multiplied by the amount of each ingredient needed to make 1 pizza to find the total cost per pizza. We buy 50 pounds of flour for approximately $180. We then need to allocate this cost to 1 pizza because not all 50 pounds worth of flour is going into that 1 pizza. For example, if someone orders 1 large cheese pizza, we need to take into consideration the amount of flour used in a large cheese pizza and then determine the cost of that amount. 2 cups of flour are used in a large pizza. There are 4.5 cups in 1 pound of flour, which means that in a 50-pound bag, there are 225 cups of flour. In order to calculate the cost of 1 cup of flour, we divide the total cost of the ingredient, $180, by the amount of cups, 225, to get a cost of 80 cents per cup. In order to allocate this cost to a job of cooking 1 pizza, we multiply this cost by the amount of cups required to make 1 pizza and get a cost of $1.60 worth of flour per pizza. The same method of allocating costs goes for each ingredient used to make a pizza. After allocating the cost of sauce and cheese to 1 pizza, we came up with a total direct material cost of $3.77 per pizza.
In addition to finding the cost of direct materials, we need to consider the cost of the direct labor and manufacturing overhead as well. To allocate the cost of direct labor and manufacturing overhead to each pizza, we follow the same steps as calculating our direct materials. After calculating these costs, we came up with a cost of $4.80 for direct labor and $1.43 for manufacturing overhead.
After calculating direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, we calculated a total cost of $10 per pizza.
And at Pepe's Pizzeria, we charge $13 per large pizza. So for every pizza we sell, we make a $3 profit.
Wow, I'm so happy we got pizza from Pepe's. Now I understand why the pizza was so pricey.
I feel like I'm going to pass Shim's final with no problem now.
Thanks to Pepe's Pizzeria.